Everyone, this is your Captain Wolf from Global Emag, and today's topic is how to verify your Wix website on Google Search Console. In the previous video, we created this Wix website, Captain Wolf World, which looks amazing, free template. I have done nothing, no editing, nothing at all. As this is going to be a testing site, so we are going to use this website and we are going to get it verified in our Google Search Console. So first of all, you need to go to your Wix dashboard. So let's just move on to our Wix dashboard. In the next tab, we are going to open the Google Search Console. So we have opened the Google Search Console. Here you will find the option to sign in. We are going to sign in to our Google Search Console. Here we are in our Google Search Console. Here you can add your own custom domain or any other domain or a feed website that you have made. As we are going to go around with our Wix website, so all we need to do is we need to go to our website, copy the entire website, and just add it in URL prefix. We are going to add it and we are going to hit continue. The search console will tell The search console will check the website for verification whether it is already verified or not. Here we are provided with multiple options how to verify our ownership of this Wix website. So among all these options, the option we are going to select is the HTML tag. So we are going to hit the HTML tag button and we need to copy this. As you can see, this HTML tag is copied. Now we will go back to our Wix dashboard. This is our Wix dashboard. In case if you have made more than one website, what you need to do is to go to all websites and see how many websites you have created and which are the websites you are going to use and which one is the one you are going to verify it. This is the main site that we created and we are going to verify this Captain Wolf Wix website. So let's just select this website and it will take us to the editor. It's loading the home dashboard. When we are here at the dashboard, what you need to do is to come to marketing and SEO tab. When you are at marketing home tab, from here you are going to select the SEO tools option, as we need to verify our website and we need to put the HTML tag on. So here you will, in the SEO tools, you will find the site verification option. So once you click the site verification option, it is going to provide you with different tools such as Pinterest, Bing Webmaster Tool, and Google Search Console, where you want to verify the ownership of your website. As we are going to go with the Google Search Console, so we just need to click it, and here it is asking us to provide the meta tag or meta tag options. Now here we are going to paste the Search Console. So here we are going to just copy the HTML tag and we are going to just paste it in site verification place and just hit the save button. Now the HTML meta tag is finished saving in our website, and now we can go back to the search console and hit the verify button. Now it's going to check whether the meta tag is placed in our Wix site or not, and it's going to confirm us in the form of green signal yes. As you can see that ownership is verified. Go to the property. Now your website is ready to work in the search console of Google. As you can see that there is not much activity right now, and Google is going to provide you a tour of the search engine console and you can move ahead and go through the different features. But this was basically the tutorial about how you are going to verify your website. As you can see that the website ownership is done, and this is all about the verifying your Wix website in Google Search Console. So in case if you want to learn more about how to create a website or how to do different search engine optimization modules, keep watching Globally Mac channel. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos.